ZBAO stock analysis and ZBAO stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, what I'll be breaking down is my exact play with Zhibao Technology. And what I'm not going to do is just immediately jump straight in, because this is bad. I mean, this is very subjective, but bad and good is just, again, all subjective. Currently, it's just choppy, and I know people are treating this like maybe like a lottery ticket and whatnot, but unless there is a big catalyst or some proper breaks above $1.50, there is no way I'm looking at Zhibao Technology and be like, I'm about to buy. This is about to be a growth stock, you know. Obviously, do your own due diligence. This is just my own 2 cents, but the likelihood that we just clear these lows out ASAP is quite high, and this is what I'm sticking to. So if you do want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Now I'll continue to keep you updated. Really nothing else that I'll be adding here. Goodbye.